All right. We are so back. I found this game on itch, and I think it's called, I wasn't paying attention. I think it's called Take Care of the Cat. Left mouse to interact, right mouse to bark, and shift to run. Press space to begin. Okay. Take care of the cat. Okay, I can't look up and down. I can just look left and right. Wait, what was it to bark? Bark to the cat. I'm barking. Okay. Get sticks and make friends. I bet. What is this? What was that? Keep it on, it's cold outside. Keep what? Okay. What? Okay. What am I doing? Oh, shit. Oh, a sheep. Run, but not too far. What's up with you? Oh, snap. I scared it. I'm getting sticks. So I just run around and get sticks and... Yeah, fuck you. Yeah, bitch. Okay. I can do this. I'm on you. Yes, sir. Well, what do I do with the sticks? And how many sticks do I need? I'm just gonna keep scaring them. Fuck you. Mm-hmm. I lost the house. Light the fireplace. Oh, shit. Leave, bro. Appreciate you. What? Oh, snap. Yeah. Now I light the fireplace. Okay, word. Go to sleep. Alright. Simple enough. Solid. Is it nighttime? Get sticks and make friends. Aww. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, I mean, I'm sorry I haven't really been recording very often. I really have no excuse. There's just been a lot going on. But I like recording whenever I want to. And whenever I feel inspired. And today this game inspired me. And I have a little bit of downtime. So why not? Damn, I've got hella sticks. Where are the sheep at? Light the fireplace. Okay. Where did the sheep go? I can't run anymore either. Cool. Nice. Go to sleep. Easy. Okay, it's nighttime. The fireplace is off again. Get sticks for the fire. Okay. Heard that. Lego. I can't sprint anymore. Oh shit. Who's hitting their vape? Blowing fat clouds. Oh, I got hella sticks. It's like leading me in a direction. Oh shit. They aren't sheep anymore. Well, that blows. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck what you are. Can I, like, go back? What is that? Oh, it's my footprints. Oh, fuck. What was that? Huh? What was that? Did the bridge fall over? Oh. It won't let me sprint anymore. Oh, is it because I'm tired? Like, it just keeps spamming that little ZZZ thing. Oh, it was that fellow. Hello? What the fuck? Oh, shit! Oh, hell no. Can I bark at you? Yeah, that's crazy, huh? Yeah, you haven't... I can't even talk. Oh, shit. It just phased through the gate! Okay, so I gotta listen to sound cues. I hear one. I hear one. I hear one. I hear one. I hear it. Where the fuck is it? Oh, shit. Yeah, boy. Stop playing. Oh. Oh, shit. Where's the path at? Oh, I see him. Yeah. Here's the path. Go around. Yep. I hear another one. It's like behind me somewhere. I don't know where. Is there more than one? Oh, I'm just running. I'm just running. Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm cooked. Oh, I'm cooked. Yep. I barked at you! Okay, I was about to lose it. Where's the path? God dang it. Oh, here it is. We're good. No, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Oh, shit! It sounds like it's right on top of me. Hello? I'm barking at you. Oh, shit! I barked at it. That's fucked up. Bark when they're close. Yeah, fuck you, man. I barked at that shit, and you heard me. Everybody here on the internet heard me. I barked at that shit, and that's bullshit. You know, I said all that about being inspired, about... You know, I really felt like recording something. No, fuck this. That was bullshit. Now I gotta do all that shit again? Oh my god. Whatever. Let's go. I don't think I was doing a really good job of, like, staying on the path and all that stuff. I was kind of just walking around, so I need to be better about that. I'm gonna, like, speedrun this. Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna bark at it! Okay. Act right, bro. I hear another one. I don't even know if these sticks even mean anything anymore. Now run back to the— Oh, shit! What the fuck was that? Shift to run from the big one. I can't run. It says I have to sleep. No way my game's bugged, right? It won't let me run. It says I gotta sleep. What do I do? Every time I hit the shift button, it says ZZZ. Oh my god. Is that the big one? No, that's just a regular one. Fuck you. I hope my game's not bugged. Because I can't run. I know I keep saying that, but I can't. I'm just gonna make it work. Oh, I hear one. Hello? I hear one. Is it gonna make me, like, turn around into all of these? Okay, go, 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 go. See, I can't fucking run! Oh, I can now. 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 Okay. Where is the path at? Okay, man. Fuck all this. Where's the path? Oh, I found it, 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 I found it. Ooh, it's loud as fuck. I don't know how loud I have my game audio on the... What is that? Is that the crib? Okay. Okay. Oh, wait, am I playing? What was that? Where do I go? I still can't run. What just happened? Okay, go. What is happening? Do I go in here? What do I do? I can't go this way. Because I just fucking black out. Oh. Okay, I guess I can just magically go here. I can't even fucking talk. Oh my god. What is happening? I'm just gonna follow the path. I can still bark. I made it. Cat, bro, I am so sorry, bro. I had hella sticks. Are you fucking with me? Let me turn on the fucking thing. What am I doing? Let me turn on the fireplace. What? I'm going to sleep? I had sticks out my ass. I had crazy sticks. Take care of the cat. Okay. Bad ending! Oh my god. You forgot to befriend a small and white thing. Yeah, fuck that. What does that even mean? What does that mean? Befriend a small and white thing. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna do it. No, I'm just gonna speedrun it. Alright. Get sticks and make friends. A small and white thing. What does that mean? Like a rabbit? Do I just have to like look everywhere for it? Okay, I'm gonna look everywhere. Fuck you. I guess it does say get sticks and make friends. But like what? Okay. Light the fireplace. No, not yet. See now, well, is it this? You are my friend now. Okay. Hell yeah. I don't feel things. What does that do for me? Can I like... That's it? Are we like friends now? Okay. Alright, I did it. That was quick. I don't know where the house is at. He doesn't give a fuck about me. Go on somewhere. Appreciate it. About to fuck you up, man. Yeah, get out of here. Let me in here. Let me in. Alright. Light the fireplace. Yes, sir. Talk to the cat. Yes, sir. Nice. That's gonna make me play through this whole fucking thing again. Oh my god. Okay. I'm locked in. Get sticks and make friends. Okay, so do I have to go talk to him again? Or was that it? He just said we were friends. Is he even there to talk to? Where are you at, bro? Where you at, bro? What's up? Alright, we're cool. Appreciate it. I feel like this is gonna be a great video for like eating dinner. This is not really like a super engaged game. This is a great, like, I'm gonna put this on while I like make dinner. Or like light the fireplace. Oh my god. I haven't really found any like super crazy bangers in a minute. Hey, what's up? Good, Witchy. Appreciate it. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Nice. Alright, now it's gonna be the fucking vape smoke. Let me in. Get the sticks for the fire. This is like the one where I have to like follow like the trail of sticks. Right? Maybe? What? Where did I go last time? Okay. Ooh, I wonder if that, the baby sheep is still over there. The lamb, as they're called. Where did I go last time? Where am I? No! Oh wait, it's flowers. I thought it was blood. Okay, can't really do anything with it, so I'm gonna keep it pushing. Where did I go? How did I just randomly stumble upon where I was supposed to go last time? Oh, snap. Oh, shit. What did I just do? They aren't sheep anymore. Yeah, I don't give a fuck. I know what my purpose is right now. I'm not gonna let them get me like they did last time. Yep, don't care. Follow the path. Yep, don't care. Lock in. I'd be losing the path, though. Alright, when are they coming? I hear one. Yep, I hear it. Yep, I hear it. Yep, I hear it. But where? Okay, I'm kind of tweaking. Where the fuck? Oh, shit! Yeah, I'm on you. Yeah, I'm on you! Okay. Okay, okay. Where's bruh at? Oh, I'm fucking burning him. Oh, I'm fucking burning him. Hold on, I feel like I gotta look at him to get a thumbnail, right? Oh! I sold it for the thumbnail. No, I didn't. I'm him! I'm him. Holy fuck. Go back to the... Yeah, I'm fucked. I'm so fucked! What the hell? I sold it for the thumbnail. Bark when they're close. Yeah, lick my balls. Fuck you. I tried to get a thumbnail. God dang it. Well, you know what? I did that to myself. And I understand that. And now I don't have to like turn back and do all that fucking... Oh shit, man! That's so fucked. It didn't do that last time. Oh my god. It's just playing with me now. The JPEGs. It's just a fucking still image of A sheep beast. Whatever. Whatever. I hear it. Okay, fuck you, man. I barked at it! I'm gonna lose it. I promise you I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. What is happening? I'm barking at it. You have to, like, quickscope them. Okay, I'm locked. I'm locked. Or there's like a specific moment that you have to like bark. Cause like I'm barking. I swear to God I am. Like right now? Okay. So they can't be too close or else they still kill you. They can't be too far or else they don't give a fuck about you barking at them. They gotta be like right at that like 2 steps away. Kinda. I hear it. I hear it. And it's gonna fuck me. It's gonna fuck me. Yeah, I see you. Right here. Right here. Right here. Yep. I understand it now. Okay. I understand it now. Oh! You can lick my nuts. That's fucked up that they can still spring up on you. Where did the trail go? 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 Where is the trail? I found it. Why is the sheep like a fucking intercom? That kind of ruins the immersion. Oh my god! What was that? I will never be like them. You're real as fuck. Hello? Wait, you're real as fuck. He killed it! Oh my god! He like grew a bunch of flowers. Oh my god. You're real as fuck. Appreciate you. I'm going to bed, man. I've seen enough. My tired eyes have seen enough. And a tree fell over the thing. Hell yeah. Nice. I still can't sprint. Where was the house? Is it this way? Maybe? Oh, this set. Oh, this is. Thank you. For what? What'd I do? You're welcome, though. Where's the house? I feel like I'm like walking around the fence of the house, but not. Oh, yes. I didn't mean to do that. What? What? Or is this the door? Oh, I'm tripping. Let's go. What happened? It had babies? Okay, cool. Wow. Wow. W ending. Good ending. Take care of the cat. Good ending. Nice. Okay, well that didn't take too long. Yeah, it was solid. I mean, what is that? Is that a picture of like the developer's cats? In loving memory of all our friends who are jumping from star to star. Oh, that's sweet. Well, cool. I mean, yeah, that was solid. Solid. I'm gonna look through itch, see if there is this just the end right here. I'll see if there's a couple more bangers that I can find. If no bangers, I don't know. Maybe I'll record. I don't know.